Avalokiteshvara. When practicing deeply, the Prajñāpāramitāhṛdaya perceives that all five skandhas are empty and is safe from all suffering and distress. O Shariputra, form does not differ from emptiness. Emptiness does not differ from form. That which is form is emptiness. That which is emptiness, form. The same is true of feeling, perceptions, impulses, consciousness. O Shariputra, all dhammas are marked with emptiness. They do not appear nor disappear, are not tainted nor pure, do not increase nor decrease. Therefore in emptiness no form, no feelings, no perceptions, no impulses, no consciousness, no eyes, no ears, no nose, no tongue, no body, no object of mind, no color, no sound, no smell, no taste, no touch, no object of mind, no realm of eyes and so forth, until no realm of mind consciousness, no ignorance, and also no extinction of it, and so forth until no old age and death, and also no extinction of them, no suffering, no origination, no stopping, no path, no condition, also no attainment, with nothing to attain. The Bodhisattva depend on Prajñāpāramitāhṛdaya, and the mind is no hindrance. Without any hindrance, no fears exist. Far apart from every perverted view, the Bodhisattva dwells in Alana. In the three worlds, all Buddhas depend on Prajñāpāramitāhṛdaya and attain unsurpassed, complete, perfect enlightenment. Therefore know the Prajñāpāramitāhṛdaya is the great transcendent mantra, is the great bright mantra, is the utmost mantra, is the supreme mantra, which is able to relieve all suffering, and is true, not false. So proclaim the Prajñāpāramitāhṛdaya mantra. Proclaim the mantra that says, Gate gate para samgate Buddhi swaha. Gate gate para samgate Buddhi swaha. Gate gate para samgate Buddhi Swaha